Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install GNS3 and GNS3 VM in VirtualBox. So friends, to install GNS3 and GNS3 VM, prerequisite is VirtualBox should be installed on your machine, Windows or Mac, any machine. So you can see I have already installed VirtualBox. Okay. So I will give link in I button how to install VirtualBox. Okay. Now after that you have to download GNS3 image from GNS3 site. Now in third you have to download GNS3 VM image for VirtualBox. Okay. So you can see I have already installed VirtualBox. So friends, now I will show you how to download GNS3 image and how to download GNS3 VM image for VirtualBox. Okay, so let's go to download it. Go to Google. Now type here GNS3 download. Okay, software GNS3. Click here. Now we have to download GNS3 for Windows. Okay, now click here to download. Now you have to log in to download here. You log in here. Now friends, again click here to download. Now friends, you can see downloading is started here. Okay, let it download. Now friends, we have to download GNS3 VM. So you can see here, for optimal performance, make sure to also download GNS3 VM. Okay, just click here. Download the GNS3 VM. Okay, now click here. Now you can see GNS3 VM image for VirtualBox, VMware, VMware XI, Microsoft Hyper-V. Okay, now friends, we have to download for VirtualBox. Now click here to download here for VirtualBox. You can see GNS3 VM image started downloading for VirtualBox. Okay, it's 1.4 GB image. Let it download here. After download we will start installation. Okay, now friends, you can see we have downloaded both image here. So we have to extract this image here, extract here. Now so we have two image, GNS3 VM and GNS3. Okay, now friends, first of all we have to install GNS3 image. Okay, now just double click on it. Okay, to install. Now click on yes. Now click on next. You have to accept this agreement. I agree. Now we have to select next here. Now click on next. GNS3 VM will install later. So we have to select GNS3 desktop. Okay, click on next. Now click on next here. Now it's started installation. Okay, GNS3. Now click on next. No. Now click on next. Now friends, select here start GNS3. So let's click on finish. So you can see GNS3 started here. Okay, now friends, we can just cancel here. Okay, we'll do later. Now we have to do one thing. This local desktop should be running here. Okay, you can see it's running. Okay, so now what we have to do? Now friends, we have to install GNS3 VM. Before going to install GNS3 VM, we have to close GNS3 which we have installed here. Okay, close this. Now we have to install downloaded GNS3 VM image. Okay, now we have to just right click and we can open with VirtualBox. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can open VirtualBox. From VirtualBox we can import this image here. Okay, click on import here, or you can click on file and import appliance. Okay, so we can click here to import. Now we have to select file. Then you can see GNS3 VM. Select it. Now click on open. So you can see GNS3 OVA file, local file system. Now click on next. Now friends, here you can see its name GNS3 VM, guest OS Ubuntu, RAM, size, CPU. Now CPU 1. Okay, we can edit later here. We can increase CPU, RAM, hard disk. Okay, it's taking by default here. Okay, now click on finish. Now friends, you can see it's importing GNS3 VM appliance on VirtualBox, and it will create virtual machine. So you can see virtual machine created here, GNS3 VM virtual machine created. Now friends, we have to edit some settings here. Okay, now go to system and we have to provide here memory 2 GB. We can increase here 4 GB. Okay, now hard disk. Okay, boot order, hard disk optimal, processor, we can select here 2 core. Okay, now click on network. Then we have to assign some interfaces here. Okay, host adapter, if you want to bridge some adapter, you can bridge that. Okay, now friends, click on OK. Then power on the virtual machine. Start. Click here to start to power on this virtual machine. Start here, powering up VM. Now friends, you can see it should assign some IP address here. It's assigned here. If IP address not assigned, then it will not connect to your GNS3. Okay, so you can access via SSH and web UI. You can see KVM support available, false. It should be true. Okay, so we have to enable virtualization. Okay, so what we have to do, just power off this machine. Just power off this machine. Power off. Now friends, what we have to do, we have to enable virtualization in VirtualBox. So go to settings, then click on system. Now click on processor. Now we have to enable this one. We have to enable this one. Okay, now select here. Now click on OK. Okay, now again click on start. Now friends, you can see virtualization enabled here. Okay, true. Now it's good. So now what we have to do, now friends, just we have to start GNS3 to integrate with GNS3 VM with GNS3. Okay, now just cancel here. So you can see text office should be running. Now what we have to do, so now in GNS3, go to edit and click on preferences. Now we have to select here GNS3 VM. Now we have to select VirtualBox. Okay, now apply. Okay, now you can see GNS3 VM started here, integrated with GNS3. Okay, now we can do one thing, just close this. So friends, now when we will close or stop GNS3 VM should be automatic stop power off. So you can see we have closed GNS3 and GNS3 VM automatic powered off, means both are integrated with each other. So now close this. Now you see when we will start GNS3, then GNS3 VM will automatically start. Okay, let's show you. So you can see we have started GNS3. Now you will see GNS3 VM will automatic start. So wait for some time. So you can see it's connecting. So you can see GNS3 VM also starting here. Okay, it's also starting automatic. So means it's integrated here. You can see GNS3 VM is starting. Okay, so you can see now it's green. So now we can create project here like basic lab. Now click on OK. So you can see Now we can start our projects running here. So let me show you about GNS3. So friends, you can see it's my GNS3. So from here we can, from file we can save projects, delete, export any project here. Okay, now from preferences we can manage our GNS3 settings, servers, GNS3, virtualbox. Okay, so here you can see when we close GNS3, keep the GNS3 VM running, you can select this, you can stop this. Okay, so friend, best practice is we have to stop the GNS3 VM when we closing GNS3. So we can start package capture, wireshark capture will be here. Okay, so any iOS which can run here. So friends, you can see from here we can integrate our virtualbox VM machine with GNS3. From here we can integrate, so friends, we can integrate vmware virtual machine here. Okay, so from here we can, you can say switch here, we can start our projects from here. Okay, so like here. Okay, so you can see this is cable connectivity, we can connect our devices with cables. Okay, right click and start our PC. Okay, so you can say start. So if you want to take console, just double click on it. So console, it will show console here. Okay, so see, you can see this is my console. So friends, in this video we have seen how to download and install GNS3 VM in VirtualBox. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.